Raffy Drawings.
Hi kids, and welcome to the Raffy Drawing channel. Today, we're going to draw and color the baby shark family and Pinkfong.
Wow!
Before we start, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start drawing! At first, I'm going to draw a big rectangle. And I divide it into 6 sections. Now let's draw baby shark. I start with his head. I draw his eyes. His nose. Then I draw his smiling mouth. Now I draw his body. Now let's draw mommy shark. I draw the shape of her head. I draw her eyes. Her nose. And now I draw her mouth with lips. Then I draw her body. Next to her, let's draw Daddy Shark. I draw the shape of his head. I draw his eyes and his nose. I draw his mouth. And finally, I draw his body. Now let's draw Granny Shark. I start with the shape of her head, her eyes, her nose, and her glasses. I draw her mouth. Then I draw her body. Next to her, I draw Grandpa Shark. I draw the shape of his head. I draw his eyes. His nose, his eyebrows, and his mustache. I draw his mouth. Then I draw his body. Finally, I draw Pinkfong. I start with the crown. I drew the shape of the head. The eyes. Oops! I forgot to color Grandpa's mouth in black. I'll fix it right away. I continue with the eyes. I draw the nose. And the smiling mouth. Now I'm drawing the color with the star. I drew her 2 arms and the body. Finally, I drew the tail. Great job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. At first, I'm going to color baby shark with yellow. Now, I color mommy shark with purple. And I color her lips red. Now I color Daddy Shark with this dark blue marker. Now we are going to color Granny Shark with orange. Then I colored the glasses light blue. Oops! When I grabbed the blue marker, I made a little mess, but it's okay. That's the beauty of art. Now we are going to color Grandpa Shark. I use a green marker like this. Finally, I'm going to color Pinkfong. And of course, we are using the color pink for the fur. Then I used yellow for the crown, the collar, and the star. Amazing! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video!